Good afternoon. Thank you for joining us. I'm here with Jocelyn Pidoux, Head of Asset Management in the EMEA region at iCapital. Good afternoon. It's great to have you with us. Would you like to start with just introducing iCapital and who you are?
Sure. Thanks, Rebecca. Pleasure to be here. So iCapital is a global fintech company. We're a B2B business connecting private markets with private wealth and making that a seamless experience for investors.
From your vantage point working with managers, private banks and platforms, where do you see the most compelling untapped opportunities for evergreen private market products?
I think some of the most compelling opportunity is in creating products that can be distributed on a global basis. So really targeting all of those markets from Canada to Latin America, EMEA, APAC, and providing a seamless experience to clients. So thinking beyond the launch day into how to make that a great experience for the clients that are investing.
Great, thank you. And when choosing between regimes like UCITS or AIFMD or LTIF 2.0, what are the key trade-offs firms are making, especially when building products for a global wealth audience?
Hopefully firms don't really need to make trade-offs because the key is in planning and in really strategizing around what is important for the firm. So the target client segments that they want to target, that will help to define the type of structure that you choose to offer. Not every structure is one size fits all. And so maybe that's the trade-off that you're speaking about. But I think when done right and thoughtfully, there shouldn't be a major trade-off.
And, we speak a lot about liquidity. Liquidity mismatch remains a central challenge. Which innovations, whether structural, operational, perhaps tech-enabled, are proving the most effective today?
All of the above. I mean, structuring is so important when it comes to creating just the opportunity for liquidity for individual investors. In addition, I think technology is going to be a major enabler, really on the innovation front, making sure that technology that we have today is really relevant to these types of evergreen structures mainly.
And, you spoke about digital platforms. So digital platforms and private banks are reshaping the distribution landscape, as you well know. And how are managers tackling distribution when launching these evergreen products?
So I think in terms of distribution, there are a couple of major themes. One is about reach and one is about expertise. So a great way to think about distributing globally is to partner, really to ramp up and to get to know the local markets into which you want to distribute, and to partner with those providers that have the relevant expertise and experience. So managers can really focus on selling their product strategy, their story, their narrative, more about their firm, and then they can partner with a distribution platform such as ours at iCapital, where we can help them open doors across the globe.
And as private markets open to a broader retail base, what design features do you feel resonate most with private clients, and how important is education in driving this adoption?
Education is extremely important, and as we think about individual investors, starting to invest in private markets and really allocating more and more of their savings, and this could be for retirement, this could be for long-term planning. Investors really need to know what they're investing in, understand the asset class, and what the opportunity is as well in terms of value creation for their portfolio. So we see managers, platforms like ours, investing a lot in thought leadership, in education, and that being a major theme going into this year.
Great. Thank you so much for joining us, and I hope you had a lovely IPEM.
Thank you, Rebecca.